how to find the equation of a line with one point and a given slope. So in this scenario, we have the slope, which is -3, and we have one point, which is x equals 1, y equals -2. So we have the equation of the line here, which is y equals slope times x plus b. So we have two variables, which are y and x, and a constant, which is m, another constant, which is b, which is nothing more than where our line crosses the y-axis and x is 0. So basically, if here is xy and the line crosses there, that's your b, this point right here. All right, let's erase this. All right, let's just apply these numbers into our equation. So y, we just put 1 for y equals m is -3, x is, I made a mistake. Let's start all over. Okay, y is -2. -2 equals m is -3, x is 1 times 1 plus b. So it gives 1 -2 is equals to -3 plus b. So we add 3 to both sides. 3 minus 2 equals -3 plus 3 plus b. These two will cancel out. 3 minus 2 is 1 is equal b. That is your b. So your equation would be y equals m, which is -3, x, and b is 1, plus 1. That would be your equation. Okay, let's plot this equation. So we know y, b is 1, and we have one point, which is 1 minus 2. Okay, we have one point right here. Let's draw a line. Insert shapes. I want a line. So 1 minus 2. Go 1, 1, 2. This is your point right here. And your b is 1, which is this point. So when slope is -3, that means for every x that we go to the left, we go up 3 units for the y. 1, 2, 3. Let's go all the way up. That's gonna be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yeah, 10. From here to there is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Exactly. And that would be your line right here. Let's make it a little darker. Choose a different color. That would be it. This is a much better color. Okay, that would be your line right here, which is y equals -3x plus 1. -3x plus 1. Okay, next time I'm gonna show you how to find the slope given 2 points. So it's a little different, but you'll see it's pretty easy. I'll see you in the next video.